There she is. We got some new exhaust tips right there. It's a 2.0 turbo. Looks clean. I don't think I need a car wash anytime soon. Hey. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Turn that down. $35. $12.35. Turn that off. Some winds already. Alright, let's go. Hopefully there's no cop around. Yes sir, that's the tunnel. Windows down. Neutral. Let it roll. Fuck yeah. You don't want to burn the clutch. Every time you rev it neutral, bro, you gotta let it go down more. Because then, when you pop it into gear and you're at high revs, you're gonna burn the clutch. And you don't want to do that. Whew. We're taking this. Oh, another tunnel. Forgot about this. Wait to get a tune though, bro. Once I get a tune on this car, whew, once I get a tune on this car, it's gonna be so much smoother. One thing I like about these Jennies is that their droning isn't that bad, even though this is basically just a straight pipe. Like, we got down pipes, we got the axle back, no muffler, no res, just straight down pipe. That's it, and it doesn't even drone that bad. Like, compared to the other cars I've sat in, it does not drone that bad. Almost had it. First gear. key. This smooth ass road got me. It's so hard to tempt. I mean, it's so hard to resist. What did it just say? What the hell? So hard to tempt. Bro, I'm just scared about some cops, bro. I already got pulled over last week, man. It's so hard to resist. The road is so open. And Toronto police does not play anymore, bro. The amount of cops I've been seeing recently is crazy. I swear they're up like 100% on the road now. Downshift. By the way, this is power of a manual, bro. I did not touch the brakes once. That's what I like. Yo, manual has its perks. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, damn, look at that. I barely had to press the brake right there. Just downshifted and I slowed down by himself. Like even I think by the time I get to the red light, like we'll be ready to go, and I won't even have to touch the brake at all. In fact, I'm touching the gas right now. Ooh. Green. Come on, Camry, don't do this to me. Ah, come on. So close. Bad Camry. Oh, now you want to move out the way. Oh, there's a police station right here. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh man, I think it's to my right. Yeah, it's right there. Close call, close call. I would have woke up the whole neighborhood. I think we have a tunnel coming up too. Oh yeah, let's see. Yup, I see the tunnel. You know what that means. Windows down. There's a car behind us, so I can't really slow down. Just roll. I'ma just roll. At this point, I do it at every tunnel, bro. That Escalade one's through, bro. I got you. Are there cars ahead of him? Why is he going so slow? Why are we going so slow, bro? Damn. There's no cars in front of him, man. Please be 2 lanes. I don't want to be behind the slowpoke. Should I do it? Should I do it? I'm not doing it. I really want to go in the incoming lane and just overtake the guy. So I guess it's not worth it. I'll enjoy the scenery. Windows down. Royal York. Let's go into this. Look, you fuck with this road. Oh, it's empty for days. wait to big turbo this car. I have some big plans for this car. I just hope the engine doesn't blow on me, because these cars are known for their engine problems, man. Do I want to do it? Do I want to do it? Is that a cop? I think that's a cop. I can't even cross these lines. Ah, it's okay. Come on, man. Oh, I think there's a speed camera up there. That's why. And we got stuck at the yellow. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. And the camera's getting way too hot. You know what I'm gonna do? Oh my god, that light just went out. Yo, do you guys catch that on camera? I think that light just went out, bro. It's crazy. And but what I was gonna say is the camera is getting way too hot now. I think I'm gonna end the video right here. Subscribe for more POV content. Let me know what you guys want me to do. Do you guys want me to stay quiet, or if you guys want me to talk like how I did today? Let me know what's up. I'm gonna end the video right here. See you guys next week.